Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Oberlo to Shopify. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on Add Apps, and then you need to click on Shopify App Store. And once you are on Shopify App Store, so let me show you. Okay, so now and here you need to search for Oberlo for an example and click on that. Okay, so currently that is not available in my region. So let's suppose this is Oberlo. You simply need to click on that and then you need to click on add app. Once you click on that, this will add it to your Shopify. So this is a simple process by which you can add Oberlo to Shopify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.